Hi guys, in this short video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can easily upload a spotlight on Snapchat. So that's quite simple. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open up the Snapchat application. Then click on the spotlight section. And now is you can see a plus icon in the top right corner. Click on it and click on upload a video.
I love
You can also create a video, that's your own choice. For example, I will select this one, then click on tick on the bottom right. Now you can add a lot of things in it, like
Hi
music
guys, in
and
this short video,
filters
I'm
and a
gonna
lot
tell
of
you that
things.
how
Once you
you're
can
done.
easily click on tick and click on preview and click
Hi
on
guys, in
send
this
to and click on OK. Now you can add title, description, tags, and allow remixing or not. That's your own choice. And you can also share with your friends. And once you're done, click on the share option on the bottom right corner, and your spotlight will be uploaded on Snapchat. So that's how you can easily upload a spotlight on Snapchat. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.